Alright guys, today I've got something more that I need to unpack. This is an internet radio by Blow, so let's get it out and check out what's going on inside. Alright. This is quite nice and light. Let's get it open. Nice, guys. There we are. I actually need this for my bathroom. Okay, the traditional radio hasn't been working that well. That means I thought of getting an internet radio. Okay, it should be mains powered as well. Let's see. Yeah, that's the mains. That's the power supply that needs to get off. Alright, let's go with this and the accessory to the bathroom. Well, set it up. Alright guys, so this is ready. I need to set it up. Let's get the wires untangled. And ready. All right. This needs to be moved now. We can hide it nicely within the lines of this concrete. Perfect. It's nicely done. There we go. Alright guys, so the radio works perfectly fine.
Im więcej osób kliknie, tym więcej mBank przekaże od siebie na cel 33 finału. Po drugie, możesz zrobić własną wpłatę. Każda kwota ma znaczenie.
Technologia mBanku pomaga! Gramy razem!
To nie jest oferta. Szczegółowe informacje, w tym warunki realizowania
Internet radio. I have over 30,000 different stations here.
Marian, patrz, w Media Expert ruszyła wielka wyprzedaż.
O, no to